English Language ABC Academy.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Mother, good morning, sweetie. Today, let's have some fun learning numbers and animal names. Are you ready?
Daughter, good morning, Mommy. Yes, I'm ready.
Mother, great. Let's start with numbers. Can you say the number 1?
Daughter, 1.
Mother, wonderful. Now let's move on to 2.
Daughter, 2.
Mother, perfect. And what comes after 2?
Daughter, 3.
Mother, that's right. You're doing fantastic. Now let's try something a bit bigger. Can you say the number 5?
Daughter, 5.
Mother, excellent job. Now let's switch gears a bit. How about we talk about some animals? Can you say cat?
Daughter, cat.
Mother, good job. What about dog?
Daughter, dog.
Mother, awesome. Now let's try a more challenging one. Can you say elephant?
Daughter, elephant.
Mother, wow, you're a quick learner. Now let's mix things up a bit. Can you tell me how many legs a cat has?
Daughter, a cat has 4 legs.
Mother, that's right. And how about a dog?
Daughter, a dog also has 4 legs.
Mother, perfect. You're so smart. Now let's combine numbers and animals. If we have 3 cats, how many legs do they have altogether?
Daughter, let me think. 3 cats have 12 legs.
Mother, brilliant. You're getting the hang of it. Learning can be so much fun, can't it?
Can't it? Daughter, yes, Mommy. I like learning numbers and animal names.
Mother, I'm glad to hear that, sweetheart. Learning is an exciting adventure, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Anything else you want to learn today?
Daughter, can we learn more animal names, Mommy?
Mother, of course. Let's explore the wonderful world of animals together.